Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to know how we can use AirPod as microphone in OBS Studio and on a Mac. First of all, make sure that you are connected via Bluetooth. Go to your Mac Bluetooth setting and here make sure you are connected to your AirPod like mine. It's an old generation, but I don't know, maybe like it was 3-4 years ago. After that, you need to go to your Bluetooth setting and make sure that you are here in the sound setting. Here there are two devices, input and output, and make sure that your AirPod is listed as a mic as input device. Here in my case, Bukhari is my AirPod. An output device you can set anything. If you don't know how to get it here, like go to Apple and System Preferences and Sound, or simply just go to Spotlight and search sound here and you will be here. Once you're done here and everything is listed, then open OBS Studio and here we go. Here is OBS Studio. I'm recording right now with my AirPod and that is mounted as a microphone there in OBS Studio. By the way, my Blue Yeti is on the way, so I can't wait to see it. Yeah, my microphones are broken and cables are not working, so I ordered a new one even though I'm running out of the budget. So here are different scenes. If I go, scene 2 is the center webcam and scene 3 is the left side webcam, and here is the scene 1. What you need to do, just go to plus icon here and import an audio input capture device. In my case, this is the audio input capture device already here. That's the one, audio input capture. And that is here, audio input capture Mac. Go to properties and here you will see Bukhari AirPod, and here you can choose from the list. Once you're connected via Bluetooth, then you can choose AirPod as microphone from the drop down list. After you set that, just hit OK and you are good to go. Then you can just apply some filters like mine to make the sound better. These are the filters I applied, like expander, noise gate, and 3-band equalizer gain. And if you don't want them, just use it naturally and lower down the volume if it's peaking. And here there is another important thing. Just go to your setting and then audio, and here if there is another microphone attached to your MacBook, then disable all these auxiliary audio 1, audio 2, and audio 3. Or if it's not working, then you can just go to this drop down list and choose AirPod and hit OK. Then you're good to go. Your AirPods will work as a microphone inside OBS Studio. Then you can simply go to record your tutorial. I hope this video was helpful, and if you liked this video, thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.